Welcome to another slice of Unboxing Paradise. And today's slice is the Samsung Bar Plus 64GB USB 3.1 flash drive. It's the Samsung Bar Plus 64GB. This is one of the higher performing flash drives, but it does have some drawbacks. We're going to go ahead and unbox. I cut it backwards. Will Samsung be angry? Unboxing experience? Pass. Up, up. And there you go. Now, it's a nice dark gray color. It's a USB 3.1 drive. These have pretty good read speeds and decent write speeds. And we'll be comparing their performance with these Team Group in a new upcoming video. I don't like this on the Samsung, because you know when you're going into a USB port, it's not going to be able to mesh. But besides that, the Samsung's a really nice high performance drive. The build quality's there. It's one of the top flash memory manufacturers in the world, and you can get yours today from the description link. So we're going to be benchmarking this against the Team Group in an upcoming video.
Digital caliper.
4 centimeters length. Width. Let's get the biggest part here. 14 and a half roughly. On the front, they're all going to be the same here, about 12. Now the thickness, it's going to vary a little. 5. And then, but on the boot end here, where they've made this little swoop for the keychain, it's about 11. So yeah, and once again, unlike these other drives, it's too thick to stack. These drives are only 4.5. And even on the connector, these drives may be thinner. Yeah, a little thinner on the connector, 4.76. Will that go in? No. Yeah, they're roughly the same on the connector as they'd have to be. But sometimes, you know, you get a drive that fits in real tight. The Samsung Bar weighs about 14 grams, or half an ounce. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.